If you do not widen a hairline crack before sealing, the sealant will often fail because it cannot properly adhere or form a durable bond. When sealing concrete or masonry cracks, we aim to create a consistent, clean joint that the sealant can grip. So start by cleaning the area with a stiff brush and compressed air or a water rinse, then let it dry completely. Use a cold chisel and hammer or a crack opener tool to remove loose material and enlarge the crack to at least 1/4 inch wide and roughly 1/4 inch deep, because a larger, uniform profile gives the sealant enough surface area to bond and to accommodate movement. For narrow cracks that will not accept a standard sealant nozzle, route the joint with a carbide blade in a grinder on a low setting while controlling dust, or use a manual toolkit for small areas, and always wear eye and respiratory protection. After sizing the crack, remove dust and debris again, and apply a compatible primer if the sealant manufacturer recommends one, ensuring full wetting of the sides of the clean joint. Backer rod is useful for deeper cracks. Choose a closed-cell polyethylene rod slightly larger than the cleaned width and press it to a depth that leaves the sealant with a 1 to 1.5 ratio of depth to width for optimal movement absorption. Tool the sealant against the joint sides to ensure contact and a concave finish, which reduces stress at the edges. Allow full cure time, avoid traffic and water exposure until the product reaches its specified hardness. Common mistakes include leaving the crack too narrow, which prevents proper bonding and causes the sealant to blister or pull out. The fix is to open the crack to at least 1/4 inch and clean it thoroughly. Another is skipping cleaning steps, which allows dust and loose material to interfere with adhesion. Always brush, blow, or wash the joint and let it dry before priming and sealing. A third is overfilling deep cracks without using backer rod, which traps the sealant in a geometry that cannot move properly and leads to tearing. Use the correct backer rod depth so the sealant has the recommended depth to width ratio. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share real project experiences in our discussion community. We also provide a place where contractors can find leads and engage with homeowners through project discussions and feedback.